So the floorboards have been painted with Zinsser, my etching primer, which literally will have keyed itself beautifully onto the wooden floor without me having to excessively rub down to get a key. My Zinsser will have etched itself on and done that job all by itself. Such a time saver. And it's tinted grey rather than just leaving it as the bare white Zinsser, because that makes it a better primer undercoat for the top coat of floor paint I'm about to put on, which is Ball Black Glue. It's now called Modern Eggshell. They don't call it floor paint anymore, they call it Modern Eggshell. So I'm about to turn this from this colour to black glue, rather than jet black, which is a bit harsh. And it'll go fabulously with my Cornforth White Ball walls, a grey colour. Come back in my next video and you can see my beautiful black glue floor. Bye!